guys, welcome back. Today we will be fitting a sound system in the on the coupe. Currently there's a bone stock factory fitted system in the car. I won't even say system, but audio, stock speakers and everything. We are currently busy checking out like what we can do. I did like get a few parts or speakers and stuff to be fitted to this car. So stay tuned for the process. We will take you through the process and everything. We will try to make a few stuff work. Hence, this is like a budget board, eh? I'm trying to, or not trying to not spend a lot on a sound system, but it's stuff I got for very cheap also. So yeah, guys, I will take you through the process. Guys, so the main obvious reason why we upgrading the sound system is because of this. I actually never knew that Nokia made speakers, guys. Freak funny though. But as you can see, looks completely messed up. And this box, hey, is the box in the intro. I made a little arrow. So this is the new speakers we have in here. The 6x, or the tweeters actually. We're going to be like retrofitting in here. The other tweeter here is the old tweeters, or the old tweeter. Like these BMs came out with Nokia sound systems. How weird. But yeah, we're replacing it with Pioneer, Kenwood, Energy Audio. As a yellow mengo moes wat hier aangaan. But hopefully it works. So we like just retrofitting all of these stuff into the original boxes and stuff, so that everything looks in place. They currently busy fitting the tape. We got the tape on though. Okay. So radio's on. So I just want to show you what came out of this car. So this speaker sits here at the bottom. I'll show you better there. So we're gonna replace it with this mid here. It is a bit bigger than the original one. In order to obviously get the speaker exposed, need to take off that cover. But it's literally just a plug and play, because here's the wires. So what's gonna happen is this is just gonna go on there, fit it, put the cover back on. Easy peasy. guys, weird fact, left side of BMW speaker wires yellow, right side blue. So front speakers are out. We are just figuring out what wire goes where. As you can see there, that's out. This little box, you can see here, that box that goes here is out. Die box moet nog uitkomen. Yeah, that box is still in. So we're just figuring out like I said, wat de draad gaan waar, want it's a beetje, like a beetje complicated now here. So new speakers are retrofitted into the OEM boxes. As you can see, tweeters on the mid. Same is gonna go for that box that he's currently with, and then the two front speakers. And then we must still connect the subwoofer and all of those stuff in the amp. So we decided to mount the amp on the box. Then the connections must still take place here. Les already started with that. 6x9s though we might not use, or we're not gonna use it because we don't wanna make holes here in this board here. So yeah, for now we will run the mids and the tweeters and the speakers in front, and then if it doesn't sound right we will make a plan, but we are positive that it will sound right. Also, those boxes that we were busy with, the OEM boxes, you can see they fitted there and there, so they're back in place with the new speakers. Auwee, ik heb het gekoop. It works alright. POV unit move. No? So gimana Choppy? So, I don't wanna eat. Okay, there's two different Choppies here. No? So first one called Choppy. This Spar Choppy. You don't wanna eat that Choppies because look there, I gave him one. But if I give him a Spar Choppy, then he's gonna eat it. Sit. Nice. Quiet. Sien julle, hy eet die maar hy wil dit ook nie eet nie, but hy eet dit ook nog. Die saus, ja. Guys, as you can hear, there is sound though, but still figuring a few stuff out. But there is sound. It's not playing how we thought it was gonna play, so they're just checking what's wrong. But yeah, there's still wires and stuff to be connected. I can show you. And neatening up to do, and then from there I'll do a proper sound video. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted, but it's fine. So guys, we ran into a problem. We needed to get splitters for the amp, as you can see here. Yeah, the plan was to run the front speakers direct from the tape, and when we did that, the tape wasn't strong enough to run those speakers, so we had to then reroute everything and do everything over and bring it back to the amp at the back. So currently everything's running from the amp, so everything is supposed to play good. We're just doing final stuff, and then after that we will do a proper sound check. Just gonna like tighten stuff, and yeah, but should sound the part. In the meantime, I'm busy servicing this car. Just want to show you how the plugs looked on this car. But there you can hear music's playing. Just it's fine tuning. Yeah. Guys, system sorted. Probably gonna get copyrighted for this, but it's Gucci. Was quite the process. We thought it was gonna be super easy, but there was challenges and stuff. Plays alright. I mean, for what it is, it's second-hand stuff, bought in new stuff. Plays the part. Carriages for service. Why? Enjoy the long weekend, guys. Jordan Poole will be having, if you saw in the intro where the BMW gets washed, he's having a park-off this Saturday. I will be posting this video on Thursday, which is tonight. So this Saturday we will have a park-off in Gordons Bay. Yeah, just putting it out there. Enjoy the long weekend, guys. Thank you for watching.